Hello everybody and welcome to this quick video on how to generate an R file. An R file is an HTTP archive file which essentially captures all the interaction that the web browser is going to have with the web server, right? And typically you would find the main use cases for an R file. If you would like to look at the website performance, you would like to do some analysis, troubleshooting, debugging for your diagnostic purposes, so on and so forth, right? So I am here at this website about .google, and if I would like to generate an R file from here, all I have to do is come towards the top right over here. You would see the menu option. I would click on it. I'll scroll down and I'll say more tools. And within here, if you click on developer tools, this developer tools section would pop up towards your right hand side. And within this, you are going to see the network tab right over here. And any interaction that you're going to have with the website from this point on is going to be captured and shown within this network tab, right? So for example, if I start scrolling down over here, let's say, and I scroll up, I click on this menu option, I click on products, for example, all of this interaction is going to be captured and shown within the network tab that you see, right? Including each individual object that is being rendered by the web browser, what are the request and response for the web browser. All of it is going to be shown here. Now, you could look at all of that details within this network tab, or you could export it as an R file. To do that, we would come here, you'd see this little download option over here. If you hover over it, it would say export HAR. So I'll just click on it and you could go ahead and save this HAR file. Once you have saved it, I'll quickly show you how this looks like, right? So if I come uh, over here, I have the same HAR file being exported, and you would see details like what are the HTTP requests that the browser made, what's the response it got back. So for example, I see this is the URL we targeted. This is the HTTP method use. What's the header? If you keep scrolling down, you might see more information like what's the response we got back, status code, the header. You could also see more information like what's the server IP address we are hitting, the HTTP phases breakdown, right? Like the DNS, TCP connect, so on and so forth. So this file over here gives you complete log for all the interaction that happened within your web browser, right? Thank you so much for watching.